Welcome to Sheriff on Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, entertainment, and fun. We are almost in September, and there are those who will say it's the best month of the year, and then there are those who will say other things. But it's not up for debate. We are going full steam ahead with amazing promotions just for you right here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. Now, in this particular video, you will see what the Explore 4 offer with Holland America will do for you and the savings that will be applied. We just got out of a very great promotional window and already we have a new one. But of course, we do have some amazing offers that I can only bring up briefly right here. For Royal Caribbean, AMA Waterways, Oceania, we have got a deal second to none. But this promotion, this slot is dedicated to Holland America. If you want to hear about that one, you will have to call me direct. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, 347-757-6728 or 876-527-4098.
Dreaming of the perfect vacation for you and your crew? Start planning your Holland America Line cruise today with Explore 4. Book select itineraries from summer 2020 to spring 2021 and get amazing extras everyone will love. Enjoy a free dinner at the amazing Pinnacle Grill and get free onboard spending money to use for whatever you choose. Stay connected with free internet when you book a veranda stateroom or suite. Book your cruise now for more on board Explore 4, only on Holland America Line.